All right, welcome back to Wicked Auto. So I know it's been a bit. We've had really crappy weather here, but finally had a nice day before. It's about 75 today. Tomorrow morning feels like 23. Love the weather here. But while it's nice, I figured go ahead and install two of the things that I have waiting. The first one is Auto FOGS from Boost Auto. So installing this, which if you watch the All Lights mod, which is the high beams, low beams, and fogs, they all work at the same time. This is Auto FOGS. Once your parking lights or headlights come on, fog lights automatically are on. So you don't have to flip the switch every time you need them because they reset every time you shut the truck off, right? So again, if you watch that video, really simple install. 2 T-taps and you plug it in. So we're gonna go ahead and do that in this video. The next video, which I'm hoping to get done, I gotta get done before Monday, hopefully, because the truck's getting fixed Monday finally. So apparently that's going to be gone for 2 weeks. So I'm hoping to get the other one, which will be footwell lighting. Hoping to get that out before the truck goes for 2 weeks. But we'll see. So let's go ahead and get into this. First, we got to undo the battery. So as I said, you got to undo the battery. Apologize for the wind. It is very windy. It has been. At least it's not 15 mile an hour today. But you got to undo the negative terminal, 10 millimeter. And just pull it off. Set it down so it cannot touch any more metal. Now we can go inside. All right, so now we're inside. You're going to come under your driver side footwell. These connectors up underneath the dash. You're going to want to take that first one, the pink one. You can see the other T-tap for the auto fogs right here. So in here, let me try to get the right angle so you can see without that cord being in the way. There. Yep. Let me just try to maneuver this a little better. Okay, so you pull down on the white tab. Go backwards. Pull down on the white tab, and then you push the colored tab, whichever it is, the pink one. You see it right there? You push that in and pull the pin out. You pull the plug out. All right, so just like on the all lights video, 2 taps and the connector between them. So looking at your pins, you want the white tab up. It will be pin 1, this first one right here. Count to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go drop to the second row, 1, 2. That's the 6th pin. The pin 1 on ours is white and yellow, and pin 6 is green and brown, which is also one of the wires that we use for the all lights. So that is where we're going to connect these. Let's go ahead and do that. See if I can get this on video here. Okay, if you notice, the tape's already pulled back because we already did the all lights mod. If it's not, you will need a knife and carefully cut that tape back so you don't cut any of the wires on here. But, so tap 1. You want to get it in the slot. You see, yep, see the little slot? That's where you want the wire. Okay, and again, white tab up so you can find the pin location. Once you find the pin location, you're good. Now we're going to hold that, take our pliers, and pinch it till it clips. And we're going to do it a second time for pin 6, which, like I said, for us is the brown and green wire. Don't go off wire color, go off the pin location. Wire colors can change. Again, put it in the slot. Pinch. Blue side goes to pin 1. Put that in. Other side goes to pin 6. And we're done. Now you just plug it back in. You can get this without looking at it and bumping the camera. we go. In. White pin is in. We're good to go. So let's test it after we rehook up the battery. Okay, so you can see I turned the headlights on. You can see that the fog lights are also on. Now, let's go in here and you'll see that the fog light illumination light on the dash is not illuminated. Okay. See? No illumination. Just says the headlights. And then turn them back off. But that's what it'll do. Now you're not going to be able to turn them off either. Okay? So that is something you will not be able to turn them off. So if you do this, they will be on if your headlights or parking lights are on. You cannot turn them back off unless you remove the taps, of course. But that was it for this install. Hope you guys liked it. If I wasn't videoing, I'm telling you, it was probably less than 5 minutes. The stuff's so easy and it's 25 bucks. I know some people complain, oh, it's 25 bucks for the T-taps and the plug. I can't build that myself, the little connector. I couldn't even assume how to. The T-taps, yes, you can go buy them anywhere. But the little connector to get it to work is a different story, to make sure everything's safe, or I don't know anything about it. 25 bucks is plenty, and that's total cost. Shipping, I don't know if it was free or not. But it always gets here every time from Boost Auto, like 3 days. Boost Auto is awesome. They have mirrors, all kinds of light wiring to connect stuff. They have fender lights for the 2500s, 3500s. So check them out. Hope you guys have a great rest of the week. Hope it's nice weather where you guys are. Hopefully we'll have another one, footwell lighting, coming up before the truck gets fixed next week. See y'all next time. Like, subscribe.